everybody. I have come around here to show you a view. Michael sends his regards and says thanks for watching. I climbed up here, or walked up here to come and show you this lovely view. This place is up near Claremount by the park, overlooking the town centre. See, further on and you shall see. It's a bit slippy, well worth the view. Oxygen and fresh air, good for the lungs. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. You come up towards the ski slopes in Halifax to find this place, and you walk back on yourself and you're near the bottom. This is the view. This is the view of Halifax Town. Isn't that worth coming all the way up here to see? I don't know what they call this area, but it is beautiful. I haven't been able to find the name these years we've lived here, but it is just beautiful. Further along, very slippy. I'll show you some more. Now this road over here between these two houses and those flats or apartments. There's the blocks of flats where we live, that one in particular there. Let's continue along. Got this beautiful old stone walling here. As you can see, very old, very creative, been here years and years and years. Oh dear me, I'm out of breath. I planted these over here, which is great, village, birds and everything. It's changed a lot since I was last up here, which has been a very, very long time, but if you can get up here when you're in Halifax, UK, it is well worth a little walk. You can go through Claremount Park way, back through the park, or you can come this way. I'll show you a little bit more now. There we are, that's a better view of flats where we stay. Town centre. Good view of Halifax. Very good view. Let's look at that. Halifax is sort of like nestled between the valleys. I'll show you. This is the view overlooking Shibden Park. It takes you to Shibden Park. That right around the corner there. You go down in the distance and round Shibden Park and over the hills. As you can see, the view right around. We're like Halifax is like in a little lip. If you can see, we're like in a little lip all the way around. We're like in a little lip. Hope you like the view. Come and see this place. It is so worthwhile. So nice and peaceful. You can sit up here and have a little bite to eat. It's a walkway for horses and people and bicycles. So it's very nice and relaxing.